They told you time was simple. A straight line. A ticking clock. A river moving from the past into the future. But one physicist looked at the equations behind reality and realized something terrifying. The universe never actually says time must move forward. Not once. The laws of physics don't care whether yesterday comes before tomorrow. And that changes everything. In 1965, while most scientists were obsessed with particles and equations, Richard Feynman was asking a far stranger question. What if time itself is an illusion created by the human brain? What if the feeling of now is not part of the universe, but something your mind invents to survive reality? Because when Feynman looked deep into quantum mechanics, he found something that disturbed even the greatest physicists alive. Some particles behaved as if they were moving backward through time. Not metaphorically. Literally. Imagine sitting alone in a dark room. Your heart beats once, then twice, then 3 times. You think those moments are happening in order because your memories stack themselves like pages in a book. But physics never proves that this order is fundamental. Einstein already shattered the old idea of time when he discovered that clocks tick differently depending on speed and gravity. Near a black hole, time slows almost to a stop. For astronauts traveling near light speed, years could pass on Earth while only days pass for them. That means time is not universal. It bends. It stretches. It breaks. But Feynman pushed the idea further than almost anyone dared. While working on quantum electrodynamics, he noticed equations that allowed electrons to travel backward in time mathematically. Most physicists treated it as a strange trick of the math. Feynman didn't. He proposed something shocking. Antimatter could actually be ordinary matter moving backward through time. One particle, traveling in reverse through the timeline of the universe. And suddenly, the universe became far stranger than science fiction. Think about that for a second. Somewhere around you right now, particles appear and disappear from empty space every instant. Quantum fluctuations erupt from nothingness like tiny storms in reality itself. Physicists call it the quantum vacuum, but there's nothing empty about it. It's alive with invisible activity. And inside that chaos, the distinction between past and future begins to collapse. Because at the quantum level, nature doesn't behave like a movie playing frame by frame. It behaves like all possibilities exist at once. That's the part physicists rarely say out loud. Your brain experiences time sequentially because it stores memories in one direction. You remember the past, but not the future. But some equations in physics work perfectly fine if time runs backward. Imagine watching 2 billiard balls collide on a table. If you reversed the video, the collision would still obey the laws of physics. Nothing looks impossible. The equations don't care which direction time moves. So why does time seem to flow only one way? The answer may lie in entropy. Entropy is the tendency of order to collapse into disorder. A glass falls and shatters, but shattered glass never spontaneously reforms itself. Smoke spreads through the air but never returns neatly into the cigarette. This arrow of time appears because the universe began in an incredibly ordered state after the Big Bang. Since then, entropy has increased relentlessly, giving us the sensation of time moving forward. But here's the terrifying implication. If the arrow of time is only caused by entropy, then time itself may not fundamentally exist. Some physicists believe the entire universe already exists all at once. Past, present, and future are not separate events but different locations inside a giant four-dimensional structure called SpaceTime. In this view, your birth, your death, every conversation you will ever have may already exist permanently somewhere in the fabric of reality. You are simply experiencing those moments one frame at a time like a flashlight moving across a finished painting. And Feynman understood how horrifying that idea truly was. Because if all moments already exist, free will becomes difficult to explain. Are your choices real? Or are you simply following a path already embedded into spacetime since the birth of the cosmos? Even worse, if time is an illusion, then death itself may not happen the way we think it does. The moments you call the past never disappear. They remain frozen forever somewhere in the structure of reality. That idea sounds insane. Yet modern physics keeps drifting dangerously close to it. Experiments in quantum entanglement show particles affecting one another instantly across impossible distances. Some interpretations suggest information may not even obey normal time ordering. In certain quantum experiments, it almost looks like future measurements influence past outcomes. Physicists debate these results endlessly because the implications are explosive. If cause and effect can blur even slightly, our entire understanding of reality begins to crack. And maybe that's why so many scientists resist these ideas. Because once you stop believing in time, the universe becomes deeply unsettling. Every human instinct depends on time being real. We plan our futures. We fear aging. We regret the past. Civilization itself is built on clocks. But the deeper physics goes, the less solid time appears. At the smallest scales of reality, equations often work without time being included at all. Some theories of quantum gravity suggest time disappears completely inside black holes or near the beginning of the universe. Think about that. The most fundamental level of reality may be timeless. Not eternal. Not infinite. Timeless. A place where before and after have no meaning. And maybe the strangest part of all is this: your consciousness may be the thing creating the flow of time you experience every day. Your mind stitches moments together into a continuous story so you can survive and function. But underneath that story, reality itself may be something far colder and far stranger. Feynman once said, "I think I can safely say that nobody understands quantum mechanics." And perhaps that's the closest humanity has ever come to the truth. Because every time physicists try to fully understand time, it slips through their fingers like smoke. The clocks keep ticking. The seconds keep passing. But deep beneath reality, the universe may be completely still. And if Feynman was right, the future may already exist.